For those of you who are new here, my name is Lovisa, and last autumn, me and my sister Alma bought a van with the idea of turning it into our home on wheels. I spent about 10 weeks working on the conversion last autumn, learning new skills, making mistakes and figuring things out step by step, before taking a break to travel to Mexico. Now I'm back and Alma is back as well, and it's time for us to continue with the van build. The goal? To finish the van in time for our first journey together later this summer. In this episode you get to see us planning out the kitchen at IKEA, finding some kitchen cabinets, and insulating and insulating and insulating. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to continue following our journey towards van life, and give the video a like and you will make us very happy.
Good morning guys, and welcome to a new week of the van build. It's Monday and it's the Monday after Easter, so I am free and my sister is also free. I mean, she's just had a surgery and everything went good with her, by the way. She's now in recovery, post-operation, rehab, so yeah, it's going great. But we are doing something really fun today. We are going to buy the last things for the electricity. So we're going with our friend that is going to help us with the electricity. We're going to another town, to a Hornbach, because we don't have a Hornbach here in our town. So we're going to another town to do that. And at the same time we're going to go to IKEA to plan out the kitchen, get some help from them. Hopefully they can help us with a few things. And also hopefully we can find some like kitchen cabinets and stuff that are like recycled, so we don't have to pay full price, because it's really expensive to buy a kitchen. Like when we're looking to buy the kitchen that we want, and we will have four like cabinets on the ground, one with a refrigerator and then 3 with drawers, and then like the whole side, one side of the wall with upper cabinets, it's like 3,000 euros or dollars-ish, 30,000 Swedish crowns. So it's super expensive. So if we can get something second-hand, we would love that. And yeah, that's what we're gonna go and check today. Hopefully we can find something. Just to be safe, the guy that is doing the electricity, he wants us to bring all of the stuff that we need to put on the plank. So I am gonna now pack them into the car. I am also bringing all of this because I'm bringing her, the handicapped little girl, the cripple. So yeah, we're gonna try to get her into the backpack. It's like having a kid. You need to go 30 minutes earlier just to get them in the car. Just to get them in the car? Yeah. Hello! Here am I with my handicap life. I'm right now oiling in my leg with coconut oil. Pure, natural, organic, straight from Lombok, Indonesia. Because I have like horrible scars. So yeah, I tried to oil them in 3 or 4 times a day. But yeah, now I'm gonna sit like this with the pillow like this to have my knee up. And yeah, this is my life currently. Very funny. So what? We made it to IKEA. I think maybe we need to get a stroller for Alma. Yes, because otherwise it will be very slow. Here we go. perfect.
Det här var ju fan perfekt.
Vamos!
IKEA was closed.
Yes, we are too early.
Like 15 minutes. So we just walk around now a little bit. Taking the dog out, you know.
Yes, for a walk. Hi guys, welcome back to the van. It is night. We made it back like maybe 1.5 hours ago. We spent a lot of time in different stores buying all of the things that we need for installing the electricity. Like I think we spent, I don't know, a lot of time. But now we have everything. We have the screws, we have the things, we have the cables, everything we need, so that is amazing. We spent like 350 euros buying all of that. I just need to order one thing because I ordered the wrong thing, and I need to pick up a few more things just here in town at a store, but then we are ready to install all the electricity, so that's very nice. Also, to that I need to finish the insulation. But I'm also really happy because at IKEA we were talking about the kitchen. We had like 1 hour talking with this guy that is like helping you plan the kitchen, and we talked about a lot of different solutions, and we got a lot of help, and he like made the plan correct because I started drawing it in the program, and he was like, no, you need to fix this and this and this. So now everything is correct. We managed to like find a good price for it also, so I'm very happy. I think we have like a few things we need to think about. We need to think about which color we want for the kitchen, if we want to have 4 kitchen cabinets or 3, because we can also put like a shelf inside instead of a kitchen cabinet because they're really expensive. So we have a few things to think about, and then we will go back and order it. So that's very exciting. Also, he told us like you should definitely check out the circular stores here we have on IKEA, because there's a lot of people buying kitchens and they buy the wrong things and then they return it. So we went there and we didn't expect to find a lot, but we actually found a cabinet, so we're really happy about that. The cabinet in itself is not like super much cheaper, but still it's nice to lower the price a little bit. Now, before it gets too dark, I want to start with the insulation. We are out of the really thick one. I ordered a new one, so I hope it's gonna come in the end of the month. Right now it's the 21st. So like in 10 days it's gonna come. Until then I will try to put this really thin armaflex tape. No, I don't have it, but we have like an armaflex tape that we want to cover all of this with. So there is not gonna be any bare metal to touch in the van. It's a lot of work to do, and yeah, I want to get started right now, so let's do it. Good morning, welcome to a new day. I am here with my mate. Yesterday, maybe you can see what I did. I insulated like all of the bare metal with this very thin armaflex tape. I don't know if this is necessary, but I think it's really nice. And like just feeling here, so much warmer than this, so I think it's really good. These are a little bit in my way, so I need to take them down. So I just got this to like crush them together to get them out. So I will take all of these down for now, and then maybe we will put them back. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is raining a little bit, and this is such a cozy feeling for me. Like hearing the rain against the roof, like this really gives me, I don't know, excitement for van life. Because I know we will have a lot of rainy days also. Oops. I am excited about the rainy days because it's so cozy hearing the raindrops on the roof. But as you can see, it's very dark right now. It is Wednesday, it is 9:40, and I have been working on insulating all of this one. Today I've been going on this one, and I just started on this next piece over here. But I'm right now out of my armaflex tape. So I'm gonna try to do some other things, because I see like here there are some pieces missing, for example. Also, I will cover up all the holes with this polyester insulation that I got. I don't know if this is insulating, but everyone told me, you should go for polyester insulation. And then I was searching for it, and this was the only thing that came up. And I saw another guy on YouTube that used this one. So I hope this is okay. So I am just taking this and putting it into all of these small holes here, for example, to fill them up. Also, I will insulate the whole outside, or whatever you say, of this. But here on the inside, I will not get to all of the metal parts. So my plan is to stick this like in the corners and everywhere where it's very metal. So I will try to finish this today. Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new day. It is Sunday, and I'm standing here with my morning tea. It is not morning. I mean, it's morning, but not really. It's 11 in the morning, and yesterday we went to a little party, so we slept very late. I have some new packages. I will show you. Packages! I needed to order more insulation, so now it arrived yesterday night, and yes, I will continue insulating all day today. That is all I've been doing the last week, and that is what I'm gonna continue doing. So the status in the van right now is that this whole side is insulated. Perfect. This door is all insulated. Perfect. And I have started just a little bit here on this side. I need to continue with that. The doors are not insulated yet, and this side is not insulated yet. And the roof. I'm waiting still for more armaflex for the roof, also the thicker one. Also, a little bit here in the front needs to be insulated, but otherwise it's going great. This side is what we will tackle today. So I spent 2.5 hours and I made like all of the top layer. Down here I'm gonna fasten the bed, and I need to kind of do that before insulating, just to see where the holes are gonna go and everything. So I'm gonna wait with that side. So I am kind of done for now on this side, and then I have this side left. But it is really nice weather today, so I am gonna go and tan for a bit, because I feel like I deserve that actually. I am finishing for now, because then we're gonna go and celebrate my grandmother, and yeah, maybe I will work a little bit tonight, let's see. But ciao for now. I am back from the celebration of my grandmother, and I'm gonna continue just doing this, but on this wall. I only have a few hours now before I'm gonna go working out, but yeah, let's freaking do this.